are with our new topic, that is the total pressure. Okay, how total pressure and gauge pressure are defined. One is the gauge pressure and second one is the total pressure. How we can define the total pressure of a body. Okay, so in order to find the total pressure, we need to understand some terms. Let us consider a mountain. Okay, this is a mountain and some mountain climber is on the top. Okay, some mountain climber is on the top. The height from the ground, from the earth surface, the height of this mountain is h. The climber is on the h height. The atmospheric pressure is denoted by Pa. It is the pressure in the air, it is atmospheric pressure. The internal pressure here is P. Internal pressure is denoted by P. So what we are having is the total pressure in terms of this all quantities we are having. It is the internal pressure plus atmospheric pressure, internal plus external pressure. So the total pressure is given by internal pressure plus external pressure. Okay, total pressure is equal to the sum of these both quantities, internal plus external pressure. The external pressure is nothing but it is the atmospheric pressure, and internal pressure is nothing but it is the internal. Internally pressure, it is denoted by P. Next, what we are having, atmospheric pressure. We had taken one reference in terms of height, density. Okay, in terms of density, height and acceleration due to gravity. When you are at a height, some gravity G acts downwards towards the earth's surface. So this P will be replaced by h times rho g. This Pa will be replaced by atmospheric pressure, will be replaced by h rho g. So Pt is equal to P plus h rho g. P plus h rho g. You can also take it as not P naught plus h rho g. Internal pressure can be also determined by, denoted by P naught or P. You can take it as P. So what is the total pressure here in terms of a mountain? We had taken the reference of a mountain. So this will be the expression in terms of a mountain. So what is the gauge pressure here? Gauge pressure is nothing but in equation number first. This is the equation number first. Okay, whenever we are shifting this atmospheric pressure here, atmospheric pressure here. So Pt, the total pressure minus the external pressure, is known as the gauge pressure. Pt minus Pa is equal to internal pressure. Internal pressure is also known as the gauge pressure. Or the difference between the total pressure and the external pressure, which is atmospheric pressure, is also known as the gauge pressure. It is also denoted by Pg. Gauge pressure is also denoted by Pg. This is first equation, this is second, and this is third equation. Three equations we are having here. This is the gauge pressure. This is the gauge pressure. This one is the gauge pressure. This one is the total pressure. Again, this one is the total pressure. Next one is the again total pressure in terms of height, density and gravity. What is density? It is the mass per unit volume. Some gravity G is acting downwards, and in terms of a mountain we can define the total pressure by these parameters. Thank you.